Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a movie project. Open iMovie and tap the plus icon. Select the clips you need, then tap Create Movie so they appear in the timeline. Once done, scrub the playhead and use the yellow handles to trim rough starts and ends. This reduces dead air and sets pacing. Make sure to name the project early so you can find it later. This step moves raw footage into an editable sequence and establishes the structure for your edits. Now you refine the middle. Tap a clip and choose Split to cut where needed. This gives precise control. Detach audio if you want separate voice or music tracks. Adjust volume and fade handles to avoid abrupt cuts. Insert transitions between clips for smoother flow, or add picture-in-picture and Ken burns for motion on stills. Once done, add background music or a voiceover. Lower music under dialogue so speech stays clear. These choices shape rhythm and clarity in your story. Finish by watching the full movie to check cuts, audio levels, and titles. Change the project aspect ratio to 16:9 if needed. When satisfied, tap Share and choose Save Video, selecting a resolution from 720p to 4K based on your delivery needs. Make sure the project is exported to photos before deleting media. If export fails, free up storage, restart the iPhone, and confirm iMovie is updated. These steps fix most issues and prevent corrupted exports.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.